Is x minus 5 a factor of f of x? F of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 18x squared minus 15x plus 25. To find out if x minus 5 is a factor of 4x cubed minus 18x squared minus 15x plus 25, use the factor theorem. The factor theorem is stated as if f of x is a polynomial, then x minus c is a factor of f of x if f of c is equal to 0. Let us apply the theorem. First, equate x minus 5 to 0 and then solve for x. Transpose negative 5 to the other side, change its sign from negative to positive. So x is equal to 5. The value of x is 5. So replace x with 5. So we have f of 5 is equal to replace x with 5. So 4 times 5 cubed minus 18 times 5 squared, replace x with 5. Minus 15 times 5, replace x with 5 plus 25. Now this is now equal to 4 times 125 minus 18 times 25 minus 75 plus 25. This is now equal to 500 minus 450 minus 75 plus 25. 500 minus 450 minus 75 plus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, f of 5 is equal to 0. If the polynomial becomes 0, then x minus 5 is a factor of f of x. Hence, x minus 5 is a factor of the polynomial. Using synthetic division, f of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 18x squared minus 15x plus 25, and then x minus 5. The first thing to do is to copy the numerical coefficients of the terms of the dividend. Omit the variables and the exponents. So we have 4, negative 18, negative 15, and 25. Next, equate x minus 5 to 0 and solve for x. Transpose negative 5 to the other side, change its sign from negative to positive. So x is 5. Write 5 to the left of 4. Draw a line, copy 4, and write it below the line. Then multiply 4 by 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Write 20 below negative 18. And then add. Negative 18 plus 20 is equal to positive 2. Then 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Write 10 below negative 15. Then add. Negative 15 plus 10 is negative 5. And then multiply negative 5 by 5. So 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Write negative 25 below 25. Then add positive 25 to negative 25. The sum is 0. This last digit is the remainder. Hence, because the remainder is 0, x minus 5 is a factor of the polynomial. The other factor is the 4x squared plus 2x minus 5. The first three numbers here are the numerical coefficients of the terms of the other factor. Notice that this is 2, this is 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. This is understood to be 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. This is understood to be negative 5 times x raised to 0.